Hello friends, I am Champion Mahipal. Today we are going to learn about conditional statements in PHP. So in conditional statements we use if statement for applying the conditions. Now the question arises where and how we use these kind of statements. First of all, we will know where we will use these kind of statement. Let us take an example. You are working on a website where you want to show or check whether the balance of the customer is less than 0 or not. If the balance is less than 0, then you can show negative balance, otherwise the transaction can process. So here you need the conditional statement. And how you can check these? Here is an example to show you how you can use if else statements. So first of all, I have started the PHP tag. Then I have taken one variable named balance and initialized its value with 50. And then I have used if else if statements. First you have to write the keyword if, then in the bracket you have to write the condition which you want to check. If this condition will be satisfied, only then the statement after this, the statement within these curly braces will be executed, otherwise it will not be executed. Okay, so we are checking if balance is less than 0, then show echo will print on the web browser that is negative balance. If balance is less than 0, then it will print negative balance. Then here is else if. Else if is used to give the second condition. There is not a compulsory thing to give else statement or else if statement. You can use else if you have more than one conditions. Yes, I am giving the second condition that if balance less than 100, then print low balance, and else if both these statements are not true, then this block will be executed. This is else block, then it will write good balance. Okay, so we have created a program, and at the last we have end the PHP tag. So in the program we have used first if statement, in which we have checked the balance that is it less than 0. Then in the else if we have checked is balance less than 100, and then in the else we have written good balance. Okay, so I have saved this with the if else if .php in the www folder, then in my website name tutorial. Okay, so for executing this I have to run the localhost. Here I have run the localhost, that is my web server. Then you have to write the name of your website, that is I have tutorial, and then if else if .php. Here we have balance is equal to 50, that is 50. This statement will be false and this statement will be true, so low balance will be printed. And if we write here 150 and save this, then now what will happen if we refresh this? Good balance. Okay, and if we make it negative, then what will happen? We have saved this, and when we refresh it, it will be negative balance. Okay, so this is about if else if or conditional statements in PHP. Thank you very much.